Real quick, guys, before we start today's video, I just wanted to talk to you guys about a brand that I started. You can see we have a website already for the most part. So right now the website isn't open, of course, so when you guys visit the website, the URL I'll put right here and in the description, but you'll be brought to this page. Put your email down so you guys receive updates about when the shop, reopens or opens. And once it does open, this is what it'll look like. I know, pretty cool stuff. Check out some cool stuff. But these are some of the products that we have so far. I will be doing t-shirts and hoodies and just a whole bunch of other stuff coming up. But that's what we have so far. All this stuff, all the decals at least, are made in-house. If you guys would like to support, please follow the Instagram at JustGo.us for more updates. And yeah, hopefully you guys rock some Just Go stuff and show some love. So real quick, just to show you guys, these are some of the decals I have in stock currently. I will be making more, but you can see, like I said, everything's made in-house. Currently, majority of these things are in white vinyl, Oracle 651, so pretty good quality stuff. Here's one that I made. It's a multi-layered one. I'll drop those in the future, and also have some, some banners as well. So yeah, so just be on the lookout, guys. Like I said, just go.us, and the O is a 0. And just go.us on Instagram. I'll put everything in the link. I'll put all the links in the description below. And yeah, so like I said, appreciate everyone for the love and support recently on the videos. I know I haven't been super active. The weather here in Connecticut has been pretty crap, so hopefully it gets better out soon and get more car content out for you guys. But just wanted to put you guys on to what I've been working on, which is my brand. So yeah, without further ado, let's get on with the video. Bye. Alright guys, welcome back. Today I got kind of like a little sponsored video type thing. So these guys at Lasfit Auto Lighting, off-road, well, just Lasfit in general, reached out to me and asked if I could do a review for their dome lights, trunk lights, and reverse lights for my BRZ. So we're gonna do a little unboxing, slap these on, compare them to the OEM ones, and see what we think. Alright, let's take a look at what's inside here. Okay. T15 LED lighting. So this is definitely the reverse lights, I'm assuming. There's no way dome lights or trunk lights are this big, so these are the reverse lights. And then we got 2 pairs of their, let's see, LT10s. So these are the trunk lights and the dome light. Alright, so for the dome lights, just pry these off, I believe. We have a little prying tool. Let's take this off. Alright, so we got the bulb out. As you can see, this is the OEM bulb. We're going to replace it with one of the LEDs that Lasfit sends us. So this is my little table right now, but this is a quick comparison. Lasfit to the OEM. Boom. Alright guys, so don't be like me. I accidentally pushed in the LED too far, and now I had to remove the dome light cover. But it's pretty easy anyways. No panic if you do that. But it's just two screws up here, and then it's just on by clips. So if you do somehow push in the LED thing, then don't, just chill, it'll be alright. So okay, so this is the piece that popped through on the dome light, and unfortunately I think the LT10s are not the right size for GR86 or BRZ dome lights. It looks like it'll push through, but I try to force it in a little bit, and that did not work. So LT10s are a fail for the dome lights. I don't know about the trunk light, we'll try it there. But yeah, I'm gonna put the OEM ones back in, unfortunately, and I'll probably just hit up Lasfit, see if they can send me the right size. Alright, everything's put back together. Both lights work. So yeah, unfortunately, no LEDs for these today. So we'll just try out these bulbs for the trunk light, if it's compatible, and we'll actually try out these as well. Put these on here. Alright, so we're gonna try out for the trunk lights. I just removed the cage right there. So I'll swap this halogen out for this LT10 from Lasfit. That's bright. Alright, now it's time for these lights. Boom. And these simply just twist off. This. Alright guys, so I took it apart. I'm trying to put these LT10s in like this, and it's just not fitting properly, but let's see what I can do. So as you can see, for these ones, these are the OEM halogens. These just go in, and they're snug. I'm moving around, and it's good fitment because it's OEM. But pull this out. And we try one of these LT10s from Lasfit. You can tell it's a little bit thicker here at the bottom compared to these. So you really have to kind of force it in. And even then, like, it's kind of awkward. It's not fully secure, and it protrudes out that much. I get it, it's a different bulb, it's an LED, but personally for me, I don't really like that. So for now, I'm probably just not going to try putting these on. I'm just going to put the OEM halogens on. I mean, it did work when it was in the car. I tried to force it in and turned it on, and it did work, but the fitment just wasn't right. It was kind of loose. So, I mean, like I'm trying to put it in, and it's really not budging. Unless that's how it's supposed to be, like this. But it's like, I don't like that. So just stick with the OEM ones for now. But I did put one of them in, so I'm just gonna give you guys a comparison, I guess. So this is what's going on right now. I would give you guys a quick comparison. As you can see here, that one's kind of forced in, but I'll just show you guys. This is the OEM halogen, ugly yellow, and this is the Lasfit LED, way brighter, very good, but the fitment just isn't it. And I'm back. So, do I recommend Lasfit lights? Yes, I do. They're really good quality. They're super bright, as you guys can tell in the video. My only gripe, the dome lights aren't a perfect fit, kind of tight, but still, you know, you can make them work, you can. But personally, me, I didn't want to, you know, force anything in that didn't fit right. So I do recommend them. I do recommend the lights. But for BRZ GR86 owners, the dome lights, the LT10s or whatever, do fit a little bit weird. But other than that, Lasfit gets a thumbs up for me. Really happy with the product. So if you guys are interested in buying some LEDs from Lasfit, use my code I love slow cars. Put it right here. I'm not pressuring you guys to buy anything, but just giving my honest review. They asked me to give a review on the product, so there it is. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Please leave a like, comment, and sub. There'll be more videos to come. And again, please follow Jusko, JUSKO.US on Instagram. There will be some cool stuff coming. So appreciate all y'all. Catch y'all later. Peace.